Start of the second half now.
Muli pong nagpapatuloy ang tunggalihan ng secondary football. Rizal Province versus San Pablo City.
Event special. Santo Luis, Sojan, Omitade, Ondiata. What a true goal by Edward.
White flag is up. There go our athletes for the 400-meter hurdles. Secondary girls time trial. Once again, our athletes for the 400-meter hurdles. Secondary girls time trial.
That's a foul for San Pablo. It's a free kick. Right in the danger zone. Keeper setting up his wall. Sino to? I think it's Sam Castañares who's taking the free kick. And he's going direct to it. Referee didn't call the foul on that one. Edward with a cross. So may kinakasan natin Iqbal dito sa Batangas. Umuulan pero ang araw-araw. Aha. San Pablo. Oh. On
Announcement.
For
We would
Austin.
like to inform everyone that the fourth game for football secondary will resume after the match between San Pablo and Rizal. So sa ating mga atleta sa football secondary
Coach
mula
Easy of
sa
San
Tanawan
Beda
City
Juniors
at
football
Pabuyo City,
team.
maghanda.
First year coach for the
Maraming
Junior
salamat.
Recruiters. Feeling ko sasakulin ng mga players niya, especially the defenders. dahil pinagtrabaho nila si Austin. Eddie Sojan sa Luis Sam. Oh, handball pero hindi tinawagan. It's okay. Play on. Miscommunication there for Rizal.
Elementary boys.
Mamita. Beautiful cross there. Oh, miscom by the defender and Austin, the goalkeeper. Flip it over though. Castañares to the counter. Oh, what a counter by Sandela. I mean Rizal. Oh, walang foul. No foul daw, sabi ni ref. Sige lang. Ref is not doing his job so far. Ano rin yan eh, it's a test of character din para sa mga players natin. You're up 3-0, tendency mo magre-relax ka kasi nun, but ang talagang kailangan i-test mo dyan is yung same ano pa rin, same intensity, yes, as if the score is 0-0. That's correct. Sa gilid. What a header! Good. Four zero.
The white flag is up.
Rizal on the attack again. Nice cross. Santo Luis. Beautiful feed. Oh, sayang. That's our player from ano ata yun, from Cainta, the number 11.
Public service announcement.
tinatawagan po natin ng pansin ang coach ng atin pong manlalarong babae mula sa Binyan City. Magtungo po tayo sa first aid area. Muli po, mula po sa Binyan City, ang coach po ng atletang babae na kanina po ay nangailangan ng tulong, mangyari pong magtungo sa first aid section.
Austin Dilo.
Maraming
Okay,
salamat
outside.
po.
The white flag is up.
Eddie. Oh, there's a foul.
Meter hurdles. Elementary boys. Time trial. Good luck.
Yun ay sinasabi ko. Medyo hindi pagsabayin mo ang track and field at football. Even though play Santo Luis all down. Ed Omitade. Beautiful. Ay, sayang. Sa Pablo.
Akala ko kasi
Sino may ganda?
okay lang.
Naiiyak yan.
Sir, ano tayo po sa 1-5?
Mali na siya girls.
Bisa lang.
Pares kayo. Sir, akala ko nagdala.
Yan.
Nagbilis ako sa inyo. Pagbibilis
Castañares taking on the corner kick.
Ano, sa 400 yards, ano, walang nakaka-break sa time niya. Wala na akong
There you go. Another header. Yes.
Tayo hanggang walo.
By Acevedo. 5-0.
The white flag is up.
Rizal's redemption tour at the Raam is off to start so far. We have some bench action here. Castañares, I think. is not
There
for the
go
day.
our athletes for the one-lap race over hurdles. 400 meter. Elementary boys time trial. Good luck.
Lester Camarista also coming in for Rizal. Coach Casey is starting to unload his bench para makapagpahinga ang kanyang starters at mabigyan ng good exposure ang kanyang mga substitutes.
Sa bukod daw. May daw.
Beautiful touch and pero sobra lang ang ano.
Ayos.
Ganyan, Bisaya, Ledri, Benyan. Bini, Benyan.
Balik. Pizza direct.
Pre, yan ang bago mo.
Ikaw na nga!
Ay, yung ang tawag doon ay gulang.
May boost na nga din.
Tawag doon ay gulang. Lamang ka na nga sa height, ginulangan mo pa. Ganun talaga.
Ano yung hindi mo pang boost pag ganyan?
The white flag is up.
Camarista Santo Luis, both from Cavite Futboleros. Austin Dido Dido. Want some piece of the action. Medyo naboboard na siya sa back.
There go our updates for the one-lap race over hurdles in 400 meters. Elementary boys time trial. Good luck.
Nice through pass. Oh, beautiful cross. Santo Luis. Oy, handball. No call left. Okay, walang keeper. Walang keeper. Ayun, nandun na.
Wala na, may hit pa yung ating
Kudos to the defense of San Pablo. Delaying that
Pinakamaliit!
Santo Luis. Acevedo. Oh,
Cheesy.
good catch by the keeper.
Juicy kasi.
Ayun ang secondary.
Dido has to work for it.
Ay, halika dito. Halika dito.
Recovered by ang suban.
Uwi na ata kayo. Ayan. Ayan. Kamay mo na. Hindi mo laki na. Hindi mo laki yung kontra. Bitilaw, sir. Bitilaw. Bayado daw siya.
To be taken.
Sila lang daw. Ano yan? Dito pare.
Beda again. Perfect ng San Beda yung header from the corner kick. Pinapractice nila yan talaga.
Sir, sila Sir Joey.
Oh, sayang. See some bench action now. I think there would be some substitutions.
Public service announcement. Pakisuyo po sa may-ari po ng sasakyan na may plaka DAO91975 Delta Alpha Omega 1975. May-ari lamang po na pakiusap po ang sasakyan dahil po meron pong lalabas. Muli po, pakiusap po sa may-ari po ng sasakyan na may plaka DAO
Oh, what a goal.
1975. Maraming salamat po.
Now 6-0 in favor of Rizal. With I think still 10 minutes left in the game.
The white flag is up.
It seems like San Pablo is also unloading its bench now, conceding the game now. Hindi pa nangyayari yun, pero malay natin. So, Acevedo now is done for the day, being replaced by Miguel Sayo. And Du Fornea is also, I think, gonna check in for Sojan Santo Luis. So there's the two of them. The two
There
youngest
go our
members
athlete for the one-lap race over hurdles in 400 meters. Secondary boys time trial. Good luck!
Du Fornea, grade 7 student from Masbate, and Miguel Sayo, also a grade 7 student, and the former captain of San Beda grade school team last year.
Ating pa rin po kasalukuyan na tutuhayan ang tunggalian ng kupunan ng San Pablo at Rizal sa larong football.
Their whole bench. Okay lang yan. Speaking fast. Play on, sabi ng referee. On another medyo na-preempt ko yung goal na yun. Okay, go in. Budayo throwing in outside the box, and that's a corner. Coach PC has the luxury to use all his players. This game having a 6-0 lead. Malaking bagay yun for short tournament like this. Halos everyday ang laban.
There go our secondary athletes for the one-lap race over hurdles in 400 meters. Time trial. Good luck.
Eh, nag-i-spin nga doon sa may area. Sa mga ayun, o, nabili. Ikaw. Ayun, ayun, o, bibili siya, no? Ayun, o. Mga kada, o. Ayun, o, bibili na nabili. Ano, Joy? Sabi ka rin na doon. Bisiga ka na. Ay, pwede. Ginagalaw yung pwede. Mamaya, 54 na yan. Ginagalaw din yung pwede kasi sigaw na yung...
Si Ivan, tahimik. Yan na, sinadave na ata yan. Si Ivan ka ba, tatahimik lang. 51. Pero hindi ako, hindi na knowledge. Coach nyo, 53 lang na. Uy, hindi, 51 yung
The white flag is up.
That's that for the game. San Rizal off to a very good start with 6-0 victory over San Pablo City.